Well, welcome back to today's show. Last video we talked about how we squared up all the boards so they would glue together, and today we're going to glue them together. Let's have a look at them. Okay, I put these square tubing across there, two of them. Just keeps them straight when you glue. You can see when they're not together, but you can see how they just fit perfectly together. I have more to glue, but this is all I'm going to glue at once, because otherwise it goes past my saw there. I'm going to glue them up, and we'll glue the other ones up. We need about 42 inches. Let's have a look at it together. That's wood together, not you and I together. Or maybe it's you and I together. Alright, here is the counter together. In hindsight, I didn't have to dado these corners because I decided to build them out for a little contrast. Then I left this backboard off so you can see they just slide in here. And this bottom one is on there. Put some screws from the back and glue. I'll fill in this one all the way. I wasn't sure I wanted to go all the way, but you might as well. There, I cut two pieces of 5/8 plywood, and they're just under 5 feet long. These tiles, they say, are 1 foot by 2 foot, but they're not really. They're 11 1/4 inches, 11 3/4. So take that in mind before you cut this top board. I did some here already. I made both sides the same. It's 3 3/4. And then I squared them up together like that. Perfect. I pre-drilled them. Here you can see I pre-drilled because your edge of the counter is really here. And then these will set on there just like that. So you can see it's flush on both ends. Now I'll pre-drill some 2 or 3 holes down here. Maybe I'll put a little glue first. We're going to glue them down with this PL2000. Once you got it, clamp it in place and then let it dry overnight, and you'll never move it. It'll never move ever. Alright, here we are back putting the edging on the counter. Let's have a look. You can see I put it on at 45 both ends. You guys don't need to see that. And this will fit right in there. So it does. You just have to sand that, and then I'll just put a bead of silicone all the way around so that water doesn't go in the crack. I had toyed with the idea of bringing it up, but I think that won't. If you want to sit here, flat's better. I'll fasten these on. There, I have it clamped there, use some PL2000, and use the ratchet strap all the way around to suck the ends in. Tomorrow it'll be dry. Alright, we're all done here. It's all glued together. I'm going to stain it, so you can stain it however you want. I'm just going to use something clear. It doesn't turn gray right away, and silicone these joints. We should get years of use out of this bad boy. The next video will be installing the thatch roof. I ordered some bamboo and some synthetic thatch from Toronto, so it'll probably be a while. Alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a comment that'll help others, please leave it. Later.